This is Adrian Hart with your Southeast Colorado News on seconews.org. We're here at US Highway 50 and Dalton Avenue in La Junta. City of La Junta Electrical Department on scene here. They've been holding down this power pole. We'll take a look at what they've got going on as we fight the high winds here in southeast Colorado. Like some wind damage on this power pole. City of La Junta bracing it here. For the City of La Junta electrical crew, from US Highway 50 and Dalton Avenue, I'm Adrian Hart with your Southeast Colorado News.